Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you mathematics of standard 4. In previous lecture we already completed the half revision of chapter number 6. Today let us start the revision of chapter number 6. How much to pay for this junk? Page number 63 and 64. In previous lecture up to page number 62 we already completed. Now here one rate list is given. Kind of junk and price for 1 kg. What is the item for the junk and what is the price of 1 kg? First is waste paper, rupees 7. Newspaper, rupees 15. Iron, rupees 22. Brass, rupees 270. Plastic, rupees 10. Now here it is given, how much will Kiran pay for 31 kg of newspaper? Here price of newspaper is given 15 rupees per kg junk. Answer, 1 kg newspaper cost is equal to rupees 15. So 31 kg newspaper's cost is equal to how much? Cross multiplication is there, 31 into 15. 31 into 15 is equal to 465. First of all, we have to write 15 into 30, then 450, and 15 ones are 50. 450 plus 15 is equal to 465. We have to make this way. 1 kg newspaper cost rupees 15, so 30 kg newspaper is equal to 450. 15 into 30 is equal to 450. And rupees 15 into 1, then 15. Afterward, 450 plus 15. So there are 31 kg, CPA is 450 plus 15 is equal to rupees 465. This both the method are there for the multiplication. 31 into 15 directly you do, otherwise first you do the 30 kg and afterward 1 kg and afterward add both the digits. Then you get the number 465 rupees. Now question number 3. How much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? Cost of 1 kg newspaper is equal to 15. So cost of 42 kg newspaper is equal to how much? Here also 42 is there. Then we have to 40 multiple by 15 and afterward 2 multiple by 15. We have to multiply this way, then it is very easy. If 15 into 42 directly multiply, then 630 is there. If we multiply 15 into 40, then 600, and afterward 15 into 2, then 30. So 600 plus 30 is equal to 630 is there. Now also find the cost from the rate list given below. 22 kg of plastic, 23 kg of waste paper and 12 kg of iron. So here one rate list is given. Waste paper 7 rupees, newspaper 15 rupees, iron 22, brass 270 and plastic 10 rupees. Now can you do this without writing guess total money Kiran will pay for the junk collector will be more than 600 or less than 600? First of all, we find the price of a 22 kg plastic, 23 kg waste paper and 12 kg iron. So answer 20 kg of plastic. Cost of 1 kg plastic is equal to 10 rupees. So cost of 22 kg plastic is equal to how much? First of all, we have to multiply 10 into 20, then 200. And afterward 10 into 2, then 20. 200 plus 20, then 220. 22 multiplied by 10 is equal to 200. 22 ones are 22 and 1 0 we put, then it is very easiest. Now 23 kg of waste paper. Here cost of 1 kg waste paper is equal to 7 rupees. So cost of a 3 kg waste paper is equal to how much? 7 into 23 is equal to 161 rupees. Now, we do it in the following manner. 7 into 20, 140 plus 7 into 33 is equal to 21. 140 plus 21 then is equal to 161. Now 12 kg of iron. Cost of 1 kg iron is equal to 22. So cost of 12 kg iron is equal to how much? 22 into 12 is equal to 264. 12 into 20, 240 and 12 2s are 24. 240 plus 24, 264. Now question number 4. Guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collector. Will it be more than 600 or less than 600? Answer. Add the number in the box. The cost of newspaper 42 kg 630 rupees. The cost of plastic 22 kg 220 rupees. The cost of waste paper it is a 23 kg 161 rupees. The cost of iron 12 kg 264 rupees. Now 42 kg newspaper 630 plus 22 kg plastic 220 plus 23 kg waste paper 161 plus 12 kg iron 264. When we add all this, then we get rupees 1275. So Kiran will pay rupees 1275, which is more than rupees 600. Now page number 64 to 66. Smart Kiran sells the junk. Kiran sells her junk to Dinu's rate list is given below. Kiran sells her junk to Dinu's shop and Dinu's rate list is given below. Find out the cost from the rate list. Dinu's rate list. Here kind of junk and price of 1 kg. Newspaper 17 rupees, iron 24 rupees, brass 280 rupees, plastic 11 rupees and waste paper 8 rupees. Now Kiran buy the waste paper in 7 rupees, plastic in 10 rupees and brass in 270 rupees, iron 22 rupees and newspaper 15 rupees. So here 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 10 rupees, 1 rupees and 1 rupees profit is there. Because when Kiran sell these things, then she get more amount. Pay for 63 kg plastic. The cost of 1 kg plastic is 11 rupees. So the cost of 63 kg of plastic is equal to how much? 63 into 11. First of all 63 into 10, 630 and 63 ones are 63. 630 plus 63 is equal to 693. Now page number 65. Question number 2. Kiran bought 1 kg plastic for 10 rupees but sold 1 kg plastic for 11 rupees. How much money does she earn on selling 1 kg plastic? Answer. She earns 11 minus 10 is equal to rupees 1 on selling 1 kg plastic. So how much money does she earn for 63 kg rupees? Cost of price of 1 kg plastic is 10 rupees. Selling price of 1 kg plastic 11 rupees. Profit on selling 1 kg plastic 11 minus 10 is equal to 1 rupees. So profit on selling 63 kg plastic is equal to 1 into 63 is equal to rupees 63. We do it in the following manner. 1 into 60, 60 and 1 into 3, 3. 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. Hence Kiran will earn rupees 63 on selling 63 kg plastic. If 1 kg 1, then 63 kg 63. Page number 66. Question number 1. How much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg iron? Answer. 1 kg of the cost of 1 kg iron is equal to rupees 24. So the cost of 32 kg iron is equal to how much? 24 into 32, 768. 24 into 32 means 24 into 30, then 720. And 24 into 2 is equal to 48. So 720 plus 48 is equal to 768. Now this is the extra sum. Cost of 1 kg iron is equal to 14 rupees. So cost of 32 kg iron is equal to how much? 14 into 32. 32 into 10, then 320. And 32 into 4 is equal, 14 into 30. 420 and 14 into 2, 28. 420 into 28, 448. We do it like this. Here, add the number in the box. Here we have to write 10, 4, 14 and 3, 30 and 2. 32 we divide into 2 parts. 30 into 2, 30 and 2, 14, 10 and 4. Now we multiply this. 30 into 10, 30 into 10, 300. 30 into 4, 30 into 4, 3 to 4s are 12 and 1 0. 3 1s are 3 and 2 0. Now 2 into 10, 10 2s are 20. And here 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. Now add all the things, 300, 120, 20 and 8. 300 and 120, 420, 420 and 20, 440 and 8, 448. So Dinu will have to pay 448 rupees for 32 kg iron. Now Kiran buys 1 kg iron for rupees 22 but sells it for rupees 24. How much does she earn when she sells 32 kg iron? Cost price of 1 kg iron for is rupees 22. Selling price of 1 kg iron is 24. So here SP is greater than CP. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. 24 minus 22. Then profit is rupees 2. So earning on selling of 32 kg iron is equal to 32 into 2. 1 kg iron profit is 2 rupees. So 32 kg iron sell, then 64 rupees is there. 32 into 2 is equal to 64 rupees. We do it in the following manner. 2 into 30 60 and 2 into 2 4. 60 plus 4 64. Thus Kiran earns 64 on selling 32 kg iron. What will Dinu pay for 152 kg newspaper? The cost of 1 kg newspaper is equal to 8 rupees. So the cost of 152 kg newspaper is equal to how much? 150 and 2 and multiply 8. 100 into 8. 8 ones are 8 and 2 0 we keep. Then 800 is there. 8 into 50. 50 multiplied by 8. 5 8s are 40 and 1 0 keep. Then 400. 8 into 2. 2 8s are 16. 800 plus 400 plus 16. 800, 416, then 1216. So Dinu will pay rupees 1216 for 152 kg newspapers. Kiran bought 1 kg newspaper for rupees 7 but sold it for rupees 8. How much money did Kiran earn by selling 152 kg of newspaper? Cost of 1 kg newspaper is equal to 7 rupees. Selling price of 1 kg newspaper is equal to 8 rupees. Profit on selling 1 kg newspaper is equal to 8 minus 7 is equal to rupees 1 profit. On selling 152 kg newspaper, 1 into 152 is equal to 152 rupees. Kiran earned 152 on selling 152 kg newspaper. Now D. How much money will Dinu pay for 4 kg brass? Cost of 1 kg brass is equal to 280 rupees. So cost of 4 kg brass is equal to how much? 280 multiplied by 4. Then we get 1120 rupees. So Dinu will pay 1120 rupees. Now page number 67. First guess the answer and then calculate. Here we have to multiply 37 into 18, 37 into 10, then 370 and 37 into 8, then we get 296. 370 plus 296, then 666. Add the number in the box this way, 30 and 7 and here 10 and 8. Now first we multiply this both, 10 and 30, 30 into 10, 3 ones are 3 and 2 0 we keep. 10 into 7, 10 into 7, 7 ones are 7 and 1 0, otherwise 10 sevens are 70. Afterward we have to write 8 in 30, 30 into 8, 8 threes are 24 and 1 0 we keep. 8 into 7, 8 sevens are 56. Now add this 300, 240, 70 and 56. 300 and 240, 540, 540 and 70, then 610, 610 plus 56, 666. So this way we get the answer. It is easiest way. Now 45 into 24. 45 into 20, 900 and 45 into 4, 180. 900 and 180, 1080. Now 40 and 5, 20 and 4. Now 20 and 40. 2 4s are 8 and 2 0, 800. 20 and 5, 20 and 5. 2 5s are 10 and 1 0, 100. 40 and 4, 4 into 40. 4 4s are 16 and 1 0, 160. 4 5s are 20. Now add 800, 100, 900, 160 and 20. So 900 and 160 and 20, 180. Now 69 into 52. 69 into 50. Then we get 3450. And 69 into 2, 138. 3450 plus 138, 3588. Now we make in the box 60 and 9, 50 and 2. Now 50 into 60, otherwise 60 into 50. 6 5s are 30 and 2 0, 3000. 50 into 9, 5 9s are 45 and 1 0. Afterward 2 into 60, 6 2s are 12 and 1 0, 120. 2 9s are 80. Now 3450, 120 and 18. Then 3450, 3450 plus 120, 3570 plus 18, 3588. Now 77 multiplied by 55. 77 multiplied by 50, then 3850, and 77 multiplied by 5, 385. When we add 3850 plus 385, then we get 4235. Now we make the table 70 and 7, 50 and 5. Now multiply 50 into 70, 70 into 50, 7 5s are 35 and 1 0 and 2 0, 3500. Now 50 into 70, 5 7s are 35 and 1 0, 350. Now 5 into 70, 5 into 70, 5 7s are 35 and 1 0, 5 7s are 35. So 3500, 350, 350 and 35. 3500 and 350 means 3850 and 350, then we get 4200 and plus 35, 4235. Now 142 multiplied by 5, 142 multiplied by 5, then we get 710, and we make the table then 142 and here 5 into 100, 100 5s are 1 5s are 5 and 2 0, 500. 5 into 40, 5 4s are 20 and 1 0, 200. 5 2s are 10, 500, 200, 700 and 10. 500 plus 200 plus 10, 710. Now 382 into 3. Here 1146. 380 and 2. Multiple by 3. 300 into 3. 300 into 3 3s are 9 and 2 0, 900. 300 into 80. 80 into 3. 2 8 3s are 24 and 1 0, 240. 3 2s are 6. So here 900 plus 240 plus 6. 900 and 240, 1140 plus 6, 1146. So 1146 is the answer. Now 2 into 175. So 175 into 2, then 350. 170 and 5 into 2. 2 into 100, 200. 2 into 70. 2 7s are 14 and 1 0, 140. And 2 5s are 10. 200, 140 and 10. Then we get 340, 200 plus 140, 340. 340 plus 10, 350. Now 4 into 206. So 206 into 4, then we get 824. Now 200 into 6 into 4. 2 4s are 8 and 00, 800. And 4 6 are 24. 800 plus 4, 24, 824. Now here it is given, fill my diary, page number 67. Here 6 not of 100, 600, 7, 8 not here, 3 not of 50, then 150, 20 not, 7 not of 20, then 140. Afterward 6 not of 10, then 60 rupees. 8 not of 5, then 40 rupees. And 1 coin of 4 rupees, then 4 rupees. Then we get 994 rupees. And money paid 841. 994 minus 841, then money earned 1153. Now page number 68, fill my diary. Kiran bought some junk from junk collector. She paid 990 rupees of 19 rupees for the junk collector. When she sold the junk, she got these notes and coins from Dinu. Find out how much she earned this time. Here, 28 coins of 5 rupees, then 140 rupees. Afterward, 18 notes of 10 rupees, then 180 rupees. Afterward, 100 notes of 5 rupees, then 500 rupees. Afterward, 1 note of 50 rupees, then 50 rupees. And 9 notes of 20 rupees, then 180 rupees. So total 1050 rupees Kiran money got from Dinu. Kiran earned rupees money, she paid 990 rupees. Money she got from Dinu is 1050 rupees. 5 coins of 28 coins of 5 rupees, so 140 rupees. And 18 notes of 10 rupees, then 180 rupees. 5 notes of 100, then 500 rupees. 9 notes of 20, then 180 rupees. And 1 note of 50, then 50 rupees. So total 1050 rupees. Now, so difference is 1050 minus 919, then 131. When we minus this amount, 1050 minus 919, then we get the difference 131. So Kiran earned rupees 131 this time. And we write this way: 550, 180, 180, 140. And here we get 1050 rupees. Money paid 919. 1050 minus 919, and money I earned 131. So this way our chapter number 6 is over. Thank you very much. Students, this chapter number 6 revision is over. Practice in your notebook. Thank you very much.